Hi guys, I'm back. Dinner is just about ready. Got about 3 minutes to go on the chicken, but I wanted to take a little bit of time and show you. I think I showed you guys these the other night. These are our salad choppers. They're a great product. I'm actually going to use them on the chicken here in a few minutes. Once I get it out, I'm going to put the chicken in this glass bowl, and I'm going to actually use these to shred up the chicken for the chicken fajitas. These are actually called the salad choppers. They're great for chopping up all kinds of things, including you can chop up chicken, any kind of vegetables you want to, like if you want to shred things up. It's really great for that. They're dishwasher safe, but what we do recommend is the little spring that's right here. Before you put them in the dishwasher, make sure you take this spring out. This spring will rust. And just make sure you put it someplace that you know you'll be able to find it. Unfortunately, we don't have replacement parts for this, so if you lose this, you'll have to buy a whole new set of salad choppers. So it's very easy to spring it back in there. It's got a great locking mechanism on it to be able to lock it up when you store it. And like I said, we're going to use this in just a few minutes to cut up our chicken. Got just about a minute and a half left to go. Got my tortillas ready. Of course, I'm going to non-Paper Chef product, but I'm going to be tossing these in my tortillas. I'll be tossing those in the microwave in a minute to warm those up for dinner. So you want to see this amazing pico de gallo that my mom made. Usually we make this in the manual food processor, but she actually chopped all this by hand using that forged kitchen knife tonight. I'm not sure why, but she decided she wanted to do it all by hand, which I thought was kind of fun. So anyways, so I'm not sure who else here. My Facebook Live is not telling me, but we're going to be getting some chicken out of the oven here in just a minute. You may have any questions for me before I go, and go over a few things with you about the prices. So the simple slicer that I use to cut up the vegetables, that is $32. The Rockcock Everyday Pan that I am cooking the chicken and vegetables in right now, that is $119. Our garlic press is $18. The microplane adjustable coarse grater that I use to grate up the cheese, that is $36. The mixing bowl that I use to mix up the taco seasoning water actually comes in a set of 3. And it comes in, there's 3 different sizes. This is the smallest one. There's a medium and a large. The set is $36. And then the flexible cutting mat set that I have, that is actually $17. And I can actually show you what the rest of those look like. So you actually get a set of 3 flex cutting mats. This one looks like this, and this is the different types of, this is julienne, fine julienne, this is large dice, medium dice, small dice, and has a ruler at the bottom. Then there is a measurement. This is called hands-on proportions. Your thumb tip is equal to about a teaspoon. Your thumb is about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Your palm is about 3 ounces. Fist is equal to about 1 cup. A hand is about 1.5 ounces. A handful. 2 handfuls is equal to about 1 ounce. So that's really cool. And of course the one that I had that I was using, which shows the different knives that we have. So, okay, so I am going to get our fajitas out of the microwave. It said they were on there for a total of about 16 minutes. I did the first round, I did 8 minutes. I took them out, I flipped the chicken over, and now we're going to, steamy, put that in the sink. So I'm going to take my little meat thermometer and I'm going to double check and make sure that my meat has cooked all the way through, make sure that it's up to 165 degrees at the thickest part of the chicken. You know, I'm going to get my other meat thermometer because I don't think that one is working. Get my handy dandy, my digital one. There we go. Let's see what this one has to say. Yep. Already we're at 100 and looks like 195 degrees on that piece of chicken right there. Let's check out this other piece right here and see what it says. Yep, 187. So our chicken is done. So there you have it. So 16 minutes total in the microwave. And we have this amazing chicken fajitas. I'll show you. Let me pop this in the microwave real quick and heat these tortillas up for a few seconds. Then I will tip this up so you could see this beautiful. We actually do have some silicone grips that you can buy to hold this, if you can see that. Chicken fajitas. Isn't that beautiful? So, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this chicken out. I'm going to put it into this glass bowl. Mom, would you check those tortillas I just put in the microwave?
Yeah.
Thanks. Slide this out of the way. Okay, so now we're going to take these choppers. We're going to get in there. We're actually going to chop up this chicken. Some nice shredded. Okay, thanks, Mom. I'm going to lay one on that plate right there for me. I mean, it's that easy to get in there and cut up this chicken into pieces. You could, the recipe does say that to take the chicken out and slice it, but I did want to show you these amazing chicken shears. Salad choppers is what I meant to say. Get that all nice and cut up. There we have it. Chopped chicken. Chopped chicken. That easily. So, alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take a little few of my vegetables. Now, if you like your vegetables to be crunchy, I would suggest cooking your chicken first. Maybe for the first 8 minutes. And then adding the vegetables afterwards, because these will get very done. My mom is actually going to complain about that because they're very done. She likes crunchy vegetables. But that's okay. She'll get over it because we have food. It's the important thing. So I'm going to dish this out. I'm actually going to top this with a little bit of my grated cheese from earlier. A little bit of this pico that my mom chopped up. And there you have it. Quick and easy chicken fajitas. That's all it took. All that, just that little bit of prep time. A total of 16 minutes in the microwave, and we have dinner. So, well, we're going to eat now, so sorry you guys can't join us. Wish you all could have been here. Anyways, if you've got any questions, just pop on Facebook, make some comments on the video. I'll have to get out there and answer them. I did post back on the game how many pistachios in the manual food processor. We're getting closer, It's somewhere in between Anita's two guests, her first guess and her last guess. So get out there and guess again, and I'll announce the winner later. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you got any questions, just shoot me a comment on Facebook, and I will talk to you guys soon. Good night.